Suppose your QA manager come to you and say, "Hey Ken, here is a new Gmail automation project. I want this mobile automation framework to support both iOS and Android by reusing the same test scripts but maybe different configurations. I want to trigger the test automatically to support continuous integration. I want to run the tests according to predefined priority. So when there is not enough time to do the test, I can always run the first priority test cases. I want to generate accurate test result report to share with the team so that developers can fix the problems in time. I want to manage test framework codes with version control systems such as Git. I want the test framework to be easy to maintain and expansible.